English connectors. Words or group of that establishing relationship between pairs. Present for Miguel Sosa, Natalia Morales, NRC 1412. Because they are important, it is an essential tool to be able to express sentences with fluency. First, they help to structure a written or spoken discourse. Second, you should know where to place. And third, to to give well and fluidity to your writing on speech. The connectors are capillaries and not only but also both and no not only but as well no sooner than. The connectors are disjunct or either or neither nor whether or else otherwise.
My name is Miguel Sosa. To continue, the connectors are conditional if where unless preferring um, slogans um, and in case are comparators as as not as so as if as down done. The connector and conclude. In conclusion, to sum up, in short, or in old and bright of the world. Thank you.